Hello happy souls, today we are going to see how to replace the seat covers in a Suzuki Access bike. And I left my bike outside, and these are all the things which are done by the street dogs. The handle grips is gone, the floor mat is gone, and the seat cover and the foam, everything is gone. And today we are going to see how to replace the seat cover. Have did some patchworks on this foam, and these are the two dogs which did it. And coming back to the point, first, open the seat and take a screwdriver and unscrew the screw. This is a one and only screw which holds the entire seat assembly. And after taking the screw off, there will be a plate inside it. It will be locked. So just move it forward, slide and move it towards the vehicle direction, and then take off the plate. After doing, you can lift the seat assembly, and we can take the seat. These are stapled with these stapler pins, and to take that, use a tester or a small pointed screwdriver. That will be more convenient. And after taking this, use a screwdriver, use a nose plier or a normal cutting plier, and take off these stapler pins. After removing this, the leftover rust will be there, so clean it with a brush with alcohol based any cleaners if you have, or you can use a diesel. This is the seat after removing, and this is the seat cover which I bought from the nearest showroom. This is the one and only seat cover which was available, and you can see the logo here and there and the Access name all over. Then align it centrally and flip it. Make sure everything is in position, and then take the stapler pin and lock all around the corners, that is 4 direction. First tighten it as much as possible so that it won't look something like saggy. And after putting 4 corners, move on to the bottommost part. Here I am concentrating on the bottommost, and start tightening from one corners. And after that, at the opposite side, you can easily pull and tighten it, and then you can tighten and put the stapler pins. Here my point is, the vehicle is fitted, the factory fitted, it comes with seat and the seat cover installed. And while buying the bike, they tell us to put the additional seat, that is the seat cover, as an accessory. I don't prefer that, because it could the thickness of the seat will be increased, so that you won't feel the foam comfort. So whenever I replace it is get damaged, I used to go with the branded one, that is a showroom seat cover, because it gives more life when compared to the ordinary one. Then I bought some stapler pins and this stapler guns. It cost me around 500 450, and the stapler pin would cost around 30 to 50, and you can use multiple times. This is like I am doing the seat work for nearly 8 or 9 10 bikes. I do for my relatives, my friends. It is free of cost, just we are spending only for the seat cover. Seat cover may cost around 150 200 or 250, that's all. And after tightening it, you can cut the excess part, excess leather from it. And this is the final part. It is, every work is done, it looks clean and neat, and we are putting back the assembly in its place. If you want, you can put some grease also, because we are opening and closing the seat. Put the bracket and align it to the screw position, that is align the screw position, and then put back the screw in its place and tighten it with the screw. That's all. After tightening, everything is done, and I will replace the mat and the other things. This is the final part. It looks neat and clean. See you in next video.